You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, originally from Spanish, but it also exists in quite a few different languages, so there are different pronunciations. In English, the most common pronunciation is usually as Alonzo, okay? Now in Spanish from central Spain, Alonzo, with a Z pronounced like TH, Alonzo. In other parts of Spain or the Spanish-speaking countries, the Z or the Z is pronounced like an S, Alonso, Alonso, like in Mexico, Alonso. Yes, Italian would be Alonso, Alonso as well. And yeah, that's essentially it. Alonzo, Alonso, or Alonso. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.